Hello and welcome to Shelley's Sacred Space and our meditation moment. Today we are going to do box breathing. We will do a set of 5. Box breathing is breathing in for 4, holding for 4, breathing out for 4, holding for 4. If at any time during this meditation you cannot breathe, please stop doing it, return to your regular breath, and then restart if you're able to, or let it go. If you are having difficulty breathing and you try to do breath meditation, it will not work very well. Our typical warning, you can do this walking, standing, laying down, eyes open, eye closed. Please do not do it while driving or operating machinery. I will do box breathing when I'm sitting at a light while the light's red, but I'm doing it mentally in my head, not with my eyes closed in a relaxed state. So please do not do that. All right, when you are ready, we will begin. Take a deep breath in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold. Now breathe normally. That is our 5 set of box breathing, a way to reset and prepare for the next part of your day. If you find that you need to do it twice, please feel free. If you like this video, please hit like. If you would like more videos on different breathing techniques, that is what we will be doing next. So please subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.